Hey y'all, welcome back to another video, another vlog. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to clean the refrigerator. We're going to clean the in and outside of the refrigerator. That's going to happen later on this evening. I will be going to the gym. We do have the gym today. I'm just now having breakfast. I'm going to have yogurt. I woke up really hungry, like super hungry. I don't know why. So I'm having yogurt and with some fruit. I don't know if you can see that. Yogurt and fruit. And I have to give yogurt a break sometimes, like, because I could eat like 2 or 3 servings at one time. And I have some ginger tea. I have the honey right here if I want to put it on top of my yogurt, and if I want to put it in my tea, if I want to put it in my tea, so I may put some in there. I don't know. It's ginger tea. It says that it's spicy and bold. Bold, yeah. Spicy, no. Well, I guess I'm used to ginger because I can eat like a quarter size of ginger and it not affect me. Anyway, so let me eat and I will pick you guys back up after I'm done. Hey y'all. I know it's been a couple of days. I am wanting to get my refrigerator cleaned inside and out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the inside. Start from the top, work my way down. I'm gonna take out all the stuff that's in here. It's not that much, but I have a lot of sauces and things like that. So I'm gonna take everything out and we're gonna go ahead and clean the inside of the refrigerator and the outside of the refrigerator. Right. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, like a very long time. Okay, y'all, I'm back. We are about to attempt to put on, what is this, stick and peel paper on the refrigerator. I'm gonna get a new refrigerator. Purple, yes, I chose purple. Purple is my favorite color. Oh, we're gonna try to put that on. I am so excited. I don't know what has been taking me so long to do this because I've been wanting to do it for years. I'm so serious. But anyway, I have 2 stick and peel papers that I got from Amazon. I don't know the name of this one, the brand name of this one, but we also have the contact paper. We're gonna put this one on the front, and this one right here seems a little bit more sturdy. We're gonna put this one on the side. That doesn't make sense, but we're gonna do it. All right? Yeah, it is recording. This is not, can you see me?
I can see you.
Oh no, you don't have to move it.
I want to move it.
You don't have to.
Oh, it's unfocused again.
I mean, you can, but this is not that easy. Okay, now what? Pull it back.
Mm-hmm.
So,
When you're pushing the bubbles, try to push from the middle to the out.
oh. You screw it a little closer.
That's what I was thinking. Her carpets are here and I want
What's mine?
I'm just saying I'm shit. Screw it a little closer. Why is it like this?
Move the thing.
See, isn't it easier without the door handle?
That's how it's cutting. Just hold it like that. It won't say. It'll be. I'll do it. Like this. Okay. Did she just say her name? Okay, presents. I think it looks fine, actually. You good? Man, I think maybe you're right. Maybe it's gold. Yeah. Maybe I can find some gold strips to look, you know, like it's inside of the purple. I don't know. I like the white on the purple, to be honest. Really? Me personally. Okay. Let me you'll like it. See. You need you to cut it. Yeah. Okay. I think that's Hey y'all, the refrigerator is done and I totally forgot to show you guys. Oh my God, let me show you guys what it's looking like. I am on my way to the gym, so that's why I have my visor on. It is wrapped purple, my favorite color. Look at that. The handle, that was like extra paper. It's really difficult to wrap that paper around there, but it's going all the way down. Awesome. I'm gonna take that paper off the handles and it's gonna be purple and white. Oh, this right here, this thing, this magnetized bottle holder is for my water bottle, my keys, cards, or whatever else. And you can just stick it to anything that's magnetized. The sides are done. You can barely see, but yeah. It goes all the way down. It's completed. Oh my gosh. What do y'all think? How do you like it? Oh my goodness. Mine is the purple strip on the handle. It's just gonna be purple and white. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. And let me show you something else. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I got a mixer. My oldest daughter got me a mixer for Mother's Day. Isn't that cute? Yeah. It is the Drew Barrymore's mixer. I don't know what size it is, but it's the perfect size for me because I'm able to move it myself with my one arm. But yeah, isn't it beautiful? It goes so good with my refrigerator. I'm hoping to get the air fryer, the same pattern. Oh my God. Isn't that so cute? Oh my God. I'm gonna go to the gym and do a little something, not much. I have to go to the mall or go to some stores. I need to go. And also, guess what? I'm getting my hair done. I am getting my hair done. I haven't been to a shop here in Arizona. Have I been to a shop here? I don't believe so. I can't remember. And I've been here in Arizona 9 years and haven't been to a professional hairstylist. Oh my goodness. I'm going to get my hair done. Oh my gosh. I don't know how much I need cut, but I know I need a cut, a trim, a cut, whatever. Woo. I'm so excited. Y'all have to come with me to get my hair done. I just got back from the gym and I'm so tired and dizzy, nauseous. But I wanted to, I'm nauseous from my driver. Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Like, I get motion sickness now after I had the stroke. feel like I'm gonna throw up so bad. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. But anyway, the driver was just driving crazy. I don't know. I mean, I get motion sickness if they wasn't driving crazy, so. Anyway, I just came from the gym and I was, I meant to tell y'all an incident that happened at the gym. Oh my God. The other day when I went to the gym, this a couple of days ago, I kind of foreshadowed what was going to happen because I was washing my clothes and I realized like, oh, I need to buy some more panties. I had just bought some panties and I was having a conversation with my oldest daughter. She was like, yeah, we were just talking and whatever. She mentioned, yeah, we're supposed to buy panties every 6 months or so, you know? I'm like, yeah, every 6 months. And so I'm like, yeah, that makes sense. And I was looking, I'm like, has it been 6 months since I bought my panties? I'm like, I don't think so. But I was like, I still want more panties, like, because the ones I have, they're 100% cotton, and but they're not seamless. I'm like, I need some seamless ones. But I still want 100% cotton. And I was looking at that, you know, before I was, when I was washing my clothes. Anyway, I was like, and I keep these for my, when I come on my period, you know, the rest of them when I come on my period, you know. I went to the gym a couple of days later and I was doing some tricep workouts. And I was looking in the mirror and to see if I can get my form right, you know, if I can do that. So I worked on my right arm and I was trying to do my left arm, but I had to modify it. I was looking in the mirror and I almost broke down crying. Like it hit me right then and there. Like, dang, I can't do shit. That's what I was thinking. Like, good Lord. This stroke really took me out. I can't get my form right. I can't do this. I'm like, why in the hell am I about to cry at the gym? Why am I about to cry at the gym? Like, for real, like, what's going on? I literally was about to cry at the gym because I couldn't get my form right. Anyway, so I just modified it the best way that I could. I finished that set, then I went on to something else. What is it called? The tricep push down or something? I don't know. Anyway, and I was doing that. Then somebody came over and started talking. You know, people at the gym when you go to the gym often. And somebody came over and started talking, and we were just talking about, you know, how we doing as far as my stroke recovery, how's it going, and what he was talking about, you know, his recovery stuff, because a while ago he had an issue or whatever, and he's like, yeah, but God's got you. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. Everything's gonna be okay. But it was so weird how I was just about to cry. That's like, I told him, I was like, yeah, I almost had a meltdown over there. Come to find out, after I was done with my set, I went to go use the restroom. I was coming on my period. Like a whole 10, 11, 12 days early, a whole 10 days early, I was coming on my period. That's why I was so damn emotional. Like, what the fuck? Why am I so emotional? But anyway, I'm sorry I'm out of breath because I'm still catching my breath from getting out that ride. But yeah, I was just so freaking emotional. And I was coming on my damn period. I was coming on my period at the gym. I came on my period, but I didn't bleed through or anything like that. But still, ew. Anyway, I just wanted to say that I'm about to actually upload this footage and start editing. And I'm going to the mall and we're gonna I'll probably wait till tomorrow to go to the mall. Yeah, we're gonna wait till tomorrow. I'm like so tired. I'm super tired and so dizzy, so nauseous. I gotta eat. I'm about to drink this protein shake. It's a vegan or vegetarian protein shake. The brand is only what you need. I was drinking a Premier protein shake and I think it has soy in there. I don't know, but soy messes with my stomach. It like bothers me if I eat or drink so much of soy. It gives me a headache. But even if I drink a little or eat a little, it messes with my stomach. Like I don't know what's going on with the soy. So I was like, let me try this. Only what you need. It tastes vegan. It tastes protein vegan. That's what it does. I don't know if I'll buy it again. It's okay. It's okay, you know. Yeah. So, anyway, I'll catch y'all when we are about to go to the mall. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Hey y'all, so I just came back from the gym and from the mall. I'll show you what I've got in the next video because it's a filler gift for my daughter's birthday. So I can't really show it because this is going out before her birthday. I'll show you in the next video what I got her. But anyway, I did tell you guys that I was going to, I told you guys that I was going to get my hair done, and I'm going to get my hair done in about 2 days or so. But I just wanted to come in here and end this video because I believe it's already long enough for me to edit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here, and then you guys have to come back next week, or I don't know when. So just make sure you're subscribed with your notification on. What I'm about to do now is go take a shower and get out these clothes, and then I'm gonna come back and start the next video. Yes, and it has something to do with this bucket. So make sure you're subscribed with your notification bell on. I'm going to end the video here. Have a good day. Bye.